Okay. Yeah. As you know, in my CV, my name is Kadek Dodi Andika Prayoga. People always call me Dodi. I'm from Bali, Indonesia. In my education background, I came from Elizabeth International College, majoring Room Division. In my education background, I learned about the basic of front office operations, such as how to handle check-in registration and explaining room facilities as the bellboy and handling the checkout registration, like the handle payment and improve my English communication as the front desk agent. After that, I have the working experience, totally 5 years. So for example, the first place is I work as the housekeeping. Let's say for 3 years. That's just example, yeah. Yeah, for 3 years. Where in my
Mhm.
working experience as the housekeeping, I have the job test such as preparing the cleaning equipment and cleaning materials before start working, and after that I clean the 20 guest room, such as the making up bed and then making art towel if there is the honeymoon package, right? Then sweeping and mopping, that is the main job of the housekeeping, and also sometimes I cleaning the floor or corridor as the public area attendant. That is my working experience as housekeeping. And the second one is I have been working experience as the front desk agent, let's say for 2 years, where my job desk as the front office is the welcoming guests to the hotel, and we should offer the assistant to the guests, and we also handle the check-in registration, both online, online agent and walk-in guests. Okay, and after that, we process the room registration, like we block the room, yeah. And then we put the guest data on the system, and also we as at the front desk we also serve as the bellboy, where we must handle the login and then escort the guest to the room while explaining the room facilities. And sometimes as the bellboy we escort the guest to the airport or to the tourism object, yeah. And the third session is a checkout, where we should handle payment, the payment on the system. Yeah. So that's all about my working experience, and that's why I really want to going the USA, because I want to feel the international working experience in the USA, because this situation will be different. So I must talk with the customer and my coworker every day with English. And I hope when I back to Bali, Indonesia, yeah, my personality is different and I'm more skillful than before. Yeah, so that's all about myself. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you get my point? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, and
uh, th-
then you have question on introduction.
um, that's
Mm-mm.
that's all. I do
Okay,
but
yeah. Okay. Next, now wait. I take my handphone first, yeah, because the connection is trouble. Wait a moment. Wait a second. Yeah. Ya udah. Okay, continue. Okay, now the second question.
yeah.
Second question is, what is your reason join your program? Now you must explain detail. What is your reason join your program?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Why I choose the G1 program? going to the USA. The first one, I will improve my skill and then also my personality. And then the second one, I would like to make sure about uh, the company and then also the standard operational over there, how to manage the hotel. And then I want to know more about in the hotel procedure because in Indonesian, I think that is more little bit less. I would like to improve that one. And then I want you how to be good one to handling the guests also.
Okay.
I think that's all for me.
Yeah.
Give me some feedback.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. My feedback, my my feedback is, so you say that you join the Jump program because you will improve your skill and personality, and the second one is you will improve. I mean, you will develop your skill at the hotel procedure, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think for the second reason in about hotel procedure is already nice because you explain about the reason. Untuk hotel procedure udah bagus alasannya, cuma di skill sama personality yang kurang alasannya kenapa. Why? So, what kind of skill and personality you mean? Jadi harus dijabarin secara spesifik ya. Gitu. For
Okay.
example, let's say I have two reason join the GM program. So the first one because I want to improve my skill and knowledge in the front office department and the housekeeping department. Because when I work in Bali, Indonesia, so I just communicate with the local people, start from the staff until the manager, and I think this this experience doesn't challenge me to improve my skills. So that's why I really want to USA to develop my communication skill when handling the check-in in the front office department, and also handling the reservation by phone call or the online the agent. I think that will be different. So I just don't talk in English, but also I think I will learn about the more culture, and then the language will be different. So it's not about the English, but also I will learn about the foreign language in USA, because in USA we know that there is a diversity in that country. Yeah. So mostly Spanish people come to the USA. So maybe in the future I will learn about the Spanish language. Yeah. And my expectation is when I back to Indonesia, so I have the different personality. So from the local experience to have the international experience, and I can prove my international experience to my friend in Bali, Indonesia. That's it. And the second one is because I want to learn more about the hotel procedure, because I believe that uh, it is very different with USA about the hotel procedure. In USA, I imagine that the standard operational procedure will be fast, yeah, because they will use the modern system, yeah, on the computer, yeah. So when I hope that when I handle the request or complaint, so the customer will satisfied with my service, and I will bring back this culture to Indonesia. Yeah, so that's all about my reason. Thank you. So you must make a story on your reason. Yeah, give the example. That's the key of the interview provider.
Perfect. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
that's it. Yeah. I also record myself, so maybe if you want to ask for the record, so I will share after the class.
All right, for
Yeah,
sure.
okay, yeah, on Google Drive. Hmm.
Okay, for that one.
Yeah, okay,
The
that's
next,
okay. Next, wait, yeah, the third question is, what is your planning after J1 program?
Right. After I'm doing the G1 program, I had been one planning, and
Yeah.
then the first um I will to share my the hotel culture from the America and USA to Indonesia to our friends, to our other people to make improve the procedure in the hotels. And then also the second, I have been dreams to build some like uh boarding house that is just a small business. I will make it that one
Yeah.
also because in the my village I have a no they have some hotel to make it the new one, and then I would like to apply over there and then to go into the opening team to improve the all about the procedure over there and then how to manage the hotel. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me give you feedback. Yeah. And so you must before you say about I want to share the culture of people and build boarding house. So I think you must put your working. You must put apply a job in a five-star hotel, and then after that you build a boarding house. For example, my planning after J1 program is I will back to my country Indonesia because this program is only for 1 year. After that, I gather with my family and share about my story in USA and also sharing about my work experience to my friend. Yeah, maybe they will interested to join your program. So this is the right time to share about my experience. And after that, I will apply a job in five-star hotel in Bali in the higher position as the, let's say, front office supervisor because I want to prove my international experience, bring back to this five-star hotel, and I really want to learn how to take a decision. For example, if the customer complain about the room, maybe the room is dirty or the air conditioner is doesn't working in, in their room. So I will be a good leader how to take decision, yeah, how to give the solution as the good leader. So it also improve my confidence as the leader, yeah. So and after that, maybe after I working as supervisor for 3 years, and my planning is want to build a business such as the boarding house. So because I think nowadays people really need to stay for shorter for 1 year. So I just want to build a boarding house, yeah, just to build my financial stability in my family. Yeah. So I think that's all about my planning. Thank you. Ya,
Okay, thank you.
ya. Jadi harus ada alurnya dia gitu. Habis ini kemana? Habis balik ke Indonesia ngapain? Sharing dulu sama keluarga. Habis itu mungkin kerja. Habis kerja baru mungkin build boarding house. After that, you can say that you wanna join the second J1 is okay. Itu juga bisa mulai. Ya,
Thank you.
ya. Oke. Okay. Next, the fourth question is which part of USA you will working and tell me your reason.
Uh, oh, sorry. Let me asking you something.
Yes.
Like the department or something?
Which
Or
part of USA? I mean, which state in USA?
oh, the
Yeah, you will work and why? Yeah.
IT in USA or America, I will take it the Orlando because that is the good one for the hospitality, and then also everywhere you will see the so many hotel over there,
Mm-mm.
and that is a good hospitality over there,
Yeah.
and that is good for me for
Yeah.
the improvement if I have some 5 star. That's
Okay.
it.
Oh, so you will choose, sorry, Florida,
Orlando.
Orlando. Yeah. Okay. So for this question, I think you must searching on Google what is Orlando, what is the uniqueness of Orlando. So you can answer this question. You can say sorry, you can answer this question and connect it to your career. So why you really want to work in Orlando? So what is your correlation with your career? Yeah, that's my advice. Yeah, for example, like say I will prefer Miami, Florida, because Miami is similar with the Bali, Indonesia, where this state have the international resort, where I think this is a good place to improve my international experience with the people around the world. So I just don't talk in English, but also talking in a foreign language. Okay. And also my expectation is after finish working at the in Florida, I can hang out with my friend to enjoy my day on the beach because there are so much beach there in Florida. And also I believe that I can access information easily because there are a lot of Balinese people work in Florida. That's it. Thank you. Yeah, that's my reason. Yeah, Florida.
Florida is people working over there.
Sorry?
In Florida is a lot of people Balinese
Yeah,
people.
yeah, a lot of Balinese people there working there.
Hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Before I give you question, so let's sign out from the Google Zoom because the remaining time is 2 minutes. So after that we join again. Ya, sisa waktunya lagi 2 menit. So kita keluar dulu sebentar, baru join lagi. So because I don't use the Google Pro.
Okay.
Ya, ya.
Yeah, I will join you first.
Oke. Ya.